Hey y'all, so I got this new Real Techniques Miracle Powder Sponge. Let's try it out. Okay, so it says it can be used wet or dry. So I wet mine and it has the most strange texture to it, but we're gonna dip it in the powder and see how it goes. Okay, y'all, so I dabbed mine in my Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the shade Light Medium. And here goes nothing. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I'm still spreading it. So that's pretty cool. I dipped it one time and I'm like spreading it all over. I've done this whole like half of my face and my forehead. I mean, it's looking really like blurred from this to this. I don't know. Okay. Let's see what we can do with this. Okay, y'all, so look at how like blurred my freaking powdered places look. Like, I look filtered with no filter. Like, it's cute, but just, I mean, it has the strangest texture to the sponge. It's like more porous, I guess, but girl, like, love it, love it.